ago today, I basically could not get out of this bed. You see, I'd smashed my back up and I couldn't really walk, stand, sit. I was in a lot of pain. But why am I telling you guys? Well, tomorrow I'm off to Gatebil. Gatebil for me is my favourite event. It's one of the highlights of my year and I really did not want to miss it. But what I want to know is, what does it mean to you guys?
Gatebil means to me expression of drifting, street car culture, coming together of like-minded people from all over Europe.
Gatebil's amazing.
Gatebil's just fun. It's a break from life. That's what I think.
Gatebil means crazy, awesome track sessions where you can push your car to the limits and you can have fun with friends and you can tandem all day long. It's the best event ever and a huge amount of friends and we love it.
The weather, I love the sunsets every year.
Gatebil means to me drifting, drinking and lots of smoke.
Gatebil is probably the biggest and best motorsport festival in the world. Like, long short of it is drifting, and that's why we're here with all our mates from like all around the world, especially Ireland, D-Mac, Monster Boys, all the Norwegian boys, Previn, etc., Boost Race Fuel, and it's just like a second home for me. So.
Freedom. It's the best time that I got all my friends here. We're having a great time. Yeah, and the atmosphere here is awesome. That's why we go all the way from Iceland to here, just to have this feeling.
Summer, fun, drinks, cars, friends. I mean, it's Gatebil.
Gatebil is sunshine, smoke, friends and content, like an insane amount of content.
It's hard to describe, it's hard to put into words. You just have to come here and experience it. It's just like one big family. It's crazy. I don't know, the cars are crazy, the people are crazy, the atmosphere. The weather is usually good. The track is insane. Everything that happens here is just kind of insane. It's borderline retarded. I don't know, it's just hard to put into words. It's just a feeling. Gatebil is just a feeling. It's great. It's just an amazing place. If you haven't been here, you gotta come here. I've told so many people, you have to come here to understand. You get a brain fart because you can't actually comprehend what's going on. So you have to come here and have the brain fart and take about 2 months to actually process what you've seen here. It's crazy. It's probably the best car event in the world of this type. I think anyway. Definitely. I love it.
What does Gatebil mean to me? Boobies. Well, that's different now, you know, it's personal. It just means good time, it means seat time, driving cars, all kinds of different cars, all types of different caliber of drivers, from rookies to pros, It's just insane. The track is amazing. I just love it. It is the best track I've ever driven. 100%. It's fantastic. Yeah, it is just unreal. It's the best weekend. And boobies. I want to keep coming here until I'm growing old. If they'll keep having me. Boobies.
So what does Gatebil mean to me? Well, to answer that, it depends on how I look at it. If I look at it from a work perspective, I go out there to shoot for Gatebil magazine, and this year I shot for Speed Hunters. So that equates to 34 miles walked, about 18 hours slept, and about 170 gigabyte of content captured over about 3 nights. So yeah, it's a very busy event for me. But to me, Gatebil's much more than that. Gatebil is about family, bringing people together. Like, I haven't seen most of the people there for about a year, so it's nice to come back. It's like one big happy reunion that just so happens to take place at a racetrack. I mean, Ruben summed it up perfectly. Like, Gatebil is a feeling, and you really just need to go there to experience it yourself, to figure out what it's about. Like, on paper, it's just a motorsport festival, but it's so much more than that, and you really, really need to go there to experience it. It's very hard to put into words, but Gatebil for me is like the highlight of my year. It is my favourite event to attend. There is just something about it, the weather, the track, the people, the cars, the music, the nightlife, everything. I just can't get enough. So, have any of you guys watching been to Gatebil before? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to read your experiences and know what you think of it and what it means to you, because it's so different for everyone. I mean, everyone loves going, but what does it mean personally to you? I mean, I fail to answer. I mean, this is a bumbling effort, but this is why this video is about you and not about me, like what Gatebil means to you. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.